Hello, and welcome back to our channel dedicated to all things paper planes. If you're new to paper planes, or just looking for a simple design to get started, then this video is for you. We'll be exploring some of the easiest paper plane designs that are perfect for beginners. These designs are simple to fold, yet still fly well, and are lots of fun to play with. In this video, we'll provide step-by-step instructions for folding each design, as well as tips for getting the most out of your planes. Whether you're looking for a quick and easy activity to do with kids, or just want to try your hand at paper plane folding, these simple designs are a great place to start. So grab some paper and let's get started on creating some simple yet fun paper planes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great paper plane videos and tutorials.